Do you have a Texas car accident injury case? If so, how does the process work? What are you entitled to? Can you trust the insurance company? Hi, my name is Dustin Rosen, and for over the last decade, I've been on thousands of phone calls and in-person meetings answering these very questions and a lot more. Car accidents are a huge inconvenience to your life, and sadly, they could be a lot more than that at times. The last thing you want to do is go into an industry that you don't know and try to figure it all out. That's why I started Texas Car Accidents, to help car and 18-wheeler accident victims navigate the industry as simply as possible and to protect them against unfair insurance companies. Our website and social media channels are filled with the best information, tips, advice, statistics, and answers to all of your questions to help you decide whether to handle this on your own or get connected with a law firm that could help. Start today by answering 5 questions on our website, and one of our friendly experts in simplifying Texas car accidents will be there for you.